Hi there. Can you believe it's been a whole year since I started sharing my graphic design and Photoshop journey with you? I've got some exciting news to share, but first, I want to give a massive shout out and a huge thank you to you all, my 450 plus subscribers. You are totally awesome. I couldn't have done this without you. Your support means the whole world to me, but guess what? We're just getting started. So let's dive into what's next. But before that, let's roll in the intro. So, like I mentioned earlier, we are taking this channel up a notch. I'd like to introduce us to three types of content you guys should expect on this channel going forward. The first on the list would be reviewing and redesigning bad designs. We are going to look at some not so good designs and then we'll make them better. Yes, much better. Just bad designs, we are coming for you. Secondly, I'll be posting some tips and tricks on graphic design and on some design softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, and maybe Figma. And finally, my absolute favorite parts, designing flyers from scratch. It's where my heart truly belongs. Get ready to learn the secrets behind creating eye-catching flyers and share some insider tips with you. So there you have it, my fantastic subscribers and future subscribers. We are going to fix bad designs, see some tips and tricks, and craft beautiful flyers. Remember, it's not just about design, it's about having fun along the way. Stay creative, stay awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friend because you're about to kick off this design party here on this channel. Stay tuned and enjoy this video till the end with a speed art design of a flyer I recently made for a brand. And I'll catch you in the next video.